Welcome to Bike Shift, your ultimate destination for honest and detailed bike comparisons. Today, we're diving into one of the most interesting battles in the budget commuter segment, Bajaj CT 100 versus Bajaj CT 125X. Both bikes carry the legacy of reliability, mileage, and affordability, but which one truly gives better value in 2025? Let's find out. At first glance, both motorcycles reflect Bajaj's no-nonsense commuter styling, but there's a big difference in personality. The CT 100 looks simple, clean, and purely functional, designed for riders who value practicality over style. On the other hand, the CT 125X carries a tougher look with its muscular tank, round halogen headlamp, rubber tank pads, and thicker crash guard. It's built to handle rough roads, giving a more rugged and premium feel while still staying true to the CT DNA. Under the hood, the CT 100 runs on a 102 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine producing around 7.9 horsepower of power and 8.3 Nm of torque. It's tuned mainly for fuel efficiency and smooth city rides. The CT 125X, however, upgrades the experience with a 124.4 cubic centimeters engine, delivering 10.9 horsepower of power and 11 Nm of torque. That extra punch means quicker acceleration and better performance on inclines or when riding with a pillion. Despite being more powerful, it maintains excellent fuel economy, a big plus for daily riders. When it comes to comfort, both bikes are commuter-friendly, but the CT 125X takes the lead with its thicker seat cushioning, stronger suspension setup, and better ground clearance. It handles bad roads with ease and feels stable even at higher speeds. The CT 100, on the other hand, is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for short-distance city rides and narrow streets. Mileage is where the CT 100 shines brightest, offering an impressive 70 to 80 km per liter, depending on riding style. The CT 125X, though more powerful, still gives a respectable 55 to 60 km per liter. In terms of maintenance, both bikes share Bajaj's affordable service network and long-lasting parts, ensuring low running costs for years. The CT 125X offers a more feature-rich package, including semi-knobby tires, crash guard, carrier rack, and optional disc brake, giving it an edge in practicality and safety. The CT 100, being the simpler option, skips the fancy bits to stay ultra-affordable. As of 2025, the CT 100 is priced around 60,000 Indian rupees, while the CT 125X comes in at approximately 75,000 to 80,000 Indian rupees depending on the variant. If your priority is maximum mileage, low cost, and easy maintenance, the Bajaj CT 100 remains unbeatable. It's the perfect daily companion for those who just want reliable commuting at the lowest running cost. But if you want extra power, better comfort, and stronger build quality for a slightly higher price, the Bajaj CT 125X is definitely the smarter long-term investment. So, which one would you choose, the mileage legend CT 100, or the tough performer CT 125X? Tell us in the comments below.